Hey my health heroes, let me ask you something. If a cream says organic, herbal, or all natural, would you automatically assume it's safe? Most people do. In fact, many people choose organic creams because they are trying to avoid chemicals. But here is a twist. Some creams that claim to be organic have actually been found to contain very powerful medical ingredients, the kind that doctors normally prescribe for short-term treatment and not everyday skincare. Let me paint a quick picture. A woman once came into the clinic complaining that her face had become very sensitive. Her skin was red, thin, and easily irritated. At first, she thought maybe it was the weather or stress, or maybe she tried a new soap. But when we asked about her skincare, she said, "Oh, I've only used a natural organic cream." When we looked closer, that organic cream had something hiding inside, and that ingredient completely changed the conversation. So today, my health heroes, we are talking about something many people don't realize. Some organic creams may contain hidden ingredients that can damage your skin over time. And by the end of this video, you know what ingredients to watch out for, why some miracle creams seem to work too fast, and how to protect your skin when choosing skincare. Welcome to Global Nurse Grace, where real nursing meets real life. One ingredient found in some creams is steroids. Now my health heroes, let's talk about something that surprises many people. One ingredient that has been found in some so-called organic creams is steroids. Now before anyone panics, let me explain something very important. Steroids are actually very useful in medicine. Doctors prescribe steroid creams for things like eczema, allergic skin reactions, severe rashes, even skin inflammation. They work quickly because they calm inflammation. Think of steroids like a fire extinguisher for angry skin. So when the skin is inflamed, they actually help put the fire out quickly. But here is the important part. A fire extinguisher is meant for emergencies, right? Not something you spray around the house every day. And some creams secretly include steroids so that the skin improves very quickly. The redness disappears, the pimples calm down, and the skin suddenly looks smoother. And people think, wow, this cream is magic. But what's really happening is that the skin is being exposed to a strong medical ingredient repeatedly. And over time, that can lead to thinning skin, stretch marks, visible tiny blood vessels, and even skin that becomes extremely sensitive. And sometimes, when people stop using the cream, the skin suddenly flares up again. So steroids are excellent medicines when used properly under medical guidance, and they were never meant to be hidden inside everyday beauty creams. Another ingredient sometimes found in creams is mercury. Now here is another one that might surprise you. Some skin lightening creams have been found to contain mercury, and mercury can lighten the skin quickly, which is why it has sometimes been used in certain products. But mercury is not something you want sitting on your skin every day, because long-term exposure may lead to skin irritation, rashes or peeling, uneven skin discoloration, and possible side effects on the kidneys. Your skin actually absorbs substances placed on it, so it's always important to know what you're applying daily. Another ingredient to be careful with is hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is another ingredient sometimes found in creams. It is a strong skin lightening ingredient used medically to treat certain pigmentation conditions. Again, it has a legitimate role in medicine, but when used freely in everyday cosmetic creams without supervision, it can cause irritation, redness, increased sensitivity to sunlight, and uneven skin tone over time. So powerful ingredients like this should always be used carefully and appropriately, because your skin barrier can be damaged. Now let's talk about something many people don't think about, which is your skin barrier. Your skin has something called a protective barrier. Think of it like the roof of a house. Its job is to keep the moisture in, keep bacteria out, and protect you from irritation. But when harsh ingredients or hidden additives are used repeatedly, that barrier can start to weaken. And when that happens, you may begin to notice things like dry patches, sudden breakouts, itching, increased sensitivity, and suddenly the skin that used to tolerate everything will start reacting to almost anything. Your face wash, your sunscreen, even plain water. That's what happens when the roof of the skin starts leaking. Next up, social media skincare trends can be misleading. Let's talk honestly for a moment. Social media can sometimes make certain creams look absolutely magical. You see videos saying things like 100% organic glow cream, natural skin miracle, herbal formula celebrities use, and suddenly everyone wants to try it. But remember this, my health heroes, what works for one person's skin may not work for yours. Skin is like fingerprints. Everyone's skin is different. Your friend's skin might love a product, while your own skin might respond with something like, absolutely not, don't try it on me. One simple habit that can protect your skin is patch testing. Now here's a small habit that can save you a lot of skin trouble. Always patch test new creams before using them widely. What does this mean? It simply means testing the cream on a small area first. Think of it like testing food before serving the whole pot. Here's how to do it. Apply a small amount of cream. This is a small amount of cream, okay? Let me believe you can see it behind your ear, okay? Or your inner arm, okay? Wait for 24 to 48 hours. Watch how your skin reacts. If you notice redness, itching, burning, swelling, or even bumps, that's your skin saying, no thank you, this cream and I, we are not getting along. And that's a signal not to use it on your face, because it's like testing bath water with your toe before jumping in. Simple, right? But very smart. So how do you protect your skin? Now here's the good news. You don't need to fear organic skincare. You just need to be smart about it. Here are a few simple habits that can help protect your skin. Always read the ingredients list. Avoid products with strong essential oils. If your skin is sensitive, choose products from reputable brands. Stop using anything that causes burning or itching. Always patch test new products. Think of skincare like maintaining a beautiful musical instrument. You don't just apply random substances to a violin and expect perfect music. You take care of it carefully, because your skin deserves that same respect. If you found this video helpful, my health heroes, like the video, share it with someone who loves skincare, and subscribe to Global Nurse Quest, because here we keep learning together, where real nursing meets real life. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today, my health heroes, and I'm glad we could learn and laugh a little while protecting our amazing skin together here on Global Nurse Quest. Bye. See you in the next video.